Harare airport security officer buys $2 million property in 4 months. A Harare pastor and colleague have been arrested for alleged money laundering involving overused $2.2 million which they had splurged on houses and vehicles. Edmore Chipiso, 33, a pastor at Hatcliffe-based Reality of Fire Ministries who lives at 119 Broadlands, Emerald Hills, and a colleague, Rosalind Dunga, 31, an aviation security employee of 16,433 Stone Ridge, Waterfalls, appeared before Harare Magistrates Court charged with contravening Section 8(1)(b) of the Money Laundering and Proceeds of Crime Act. They were not asked to plead when they both appeared before Mr. Stanford Mambonge and were remanded out of custody to December 3 on $20,000 bail each. Prosecutor Mr. Lancelot Mutsokoti told the court that on an unknown date, but between August and November 2021, the pair laundered over $2 million. The source of the money is yet to be established. The duo reportedly bought a house at number 12 Giraffe Crescent, Borrowdale West, for $580,000 and house number 14,256 Legate Street in Gun Hill for $400,000. They also went on to buy a property in Salou, the remainder of Coburn 23 plot measuring about 200 hectares, for $130,000. Mr. Mutsokoti said after acquiring the properties, Chipiso and Dunga started buying vehicles. The cars include a black Mercedes-Benz S350, registration number AFG 2419, worth $95,000, an Iveco truck, 3 DAF XF 105 truck horses, 3 flatbed trailers and 42,000-liter fuel tanker worth $1 million. However, they were arrested after the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe's Financial Intelligence Unit, FIU, flagged their suspicious transactions. Overall, the pair reportedly laundered overused $2.2 million.